Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO22 Excel Chapter 6 Prepare Spa. In this project description, the Turkish Oasis spas have resort guests with a full range of services from traditional and alternative massage to the that's its project description. You will read it carefully. This is the things that you need to do in this assignment. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name Excel Chapter 7 Prepare Spa Sale. Your name will automatically add it to the start of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are starting the file. That's our file. I have already downloaded the file. My name already mentioned in front of this file name. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is grouping worksheet allows to perform certain tasks once and have those tasks affect the same cells for the worksheet in the group. You want to group the three therapist worksheets to add formatting and formulas which will make the workbook more useful. Group all the three worksheet stats, mold and nice. Change the tab color to light blue from the standard colors. So we'll group this one, the second one and third one. You will press the control button and then select this one, these worksheet tabs. So these are grouped. So we have grouped three worksheet: ice, space, mold and nice. And what he is saying, change the tab color to the light blue from the standard color. So you will right click on your mouse on ice track and go to the tab color. What is he asking for? Light blue. That is our light blue color. We will apply light blue color to these three. When we apply at first, when it's grouped, on second and third also it's applied. So that's our second step. Our third step is, with the group worksheet you can enter text on the all worksheet within the grouping at one time. With the worksheet still grouped in the cell A25, type total. So we will go to the cell A25. That is our cell A25. We will to type here total, press enter. So when we enter here in A25 total, it's entered in the second worksheet also, you see, and third worksheet also. So after grouping, when we do a step in the first worksheet, then it will be also perform on the second and third one which are grouped. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is, with the worksheet grouped, you can also enter the formula and function on the worksheet within the grouping at one time. With the worksheet still grouped in the cell E7, tell type is equal to C7 multiplied by D7. So we will go to the type cell E7. We will type here as a is equal to multiplied by C7. We will put multiply sign in between this and D7 and press enter. So we have got our result in the total charges cell E7 as $100. Copy the formula through the cell range E7 to E24. So we need to copy this one. We need to drag this one up to E7 to E24. So we have got our formula. It's having the same results. Okay, that's our step. Now in F7, type is equal to E7. So we will go to the F7. That's our cell F7. We will type is equal to E7 and press enter. So we have got our result here. Now its formula is now updated. You see, We have got our results C7 and D7. So what he is saying, in the cell F8 type is equal to F7 plus E8. So we will select is equal to F7 plus E8. So we have got our results. That's $100 again. And copy the formula through the cell F8 to F24. So we need to copy this formula up to F24. So we will get our results. That's our step. Ungroup the worksheets. So we need to ungroup the worksheet. Select this one and select this one. Ungrouped sheets. So it's now ungrouped. Our formula is not working before, so now it's working. I don't know, it's my Excel problem. In our fifth step, we will do fill across worksheet is a command that can be used to copy the contents formats or both contents and formats to the worksheet in the group. The source and designation worksheet must be included in the group. On the I-stress worksheet in the cell range C25 to E25, use the sum function to total the cell ranges C7 to E24. So we will go to the C25, C25, that's our cell C25. We need to sum these. We will put is equal to, and we will put sum function. We will select our cell from C7 to C24. Press is equal to, we have got our result. We need to copy this formula up to which cell he is asking for. Use the function C25 E25. So we will go to E25 like that, or you will do this process with again another step. You will just select this one C7 to E25. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, we will now press Ctrl plus Z. So we have got our formula. I am asking you that you can sum this with this one. You will select from C5 to E E25, E24 and press sum. So you have got your result in the cell C25 to E25. You see here you have applied some function here. So we have got our results. That's our group the Isaac, mute and niche sheets to copy the content across the worksheet to the more niche worksheet. So we need to group this one. So and copy the contents across the worksheet in this and also here. So we have got our results in these cells. That's our fifth step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this video, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can comment on this video. I will show you the files of this complete course. I have this complete course assignments up to chapter 14 from the chapter 1 to 14, and I have also assessed files of this assess assignments of this course. So if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me also. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.